So people have been asking me to make a video of like the dishes that I cook, and so today I've decided to just show a video of how I make asparagus, and I serve it with Nigerian jollof rice and baked salmon. So I'm gonna be showing you how to like make the asparagus. It's very simple and it's a straightforward video. The next video that I will be showing, I will show you how to make the Nigerian jollof rice, and in another video I will show you how to bake a salmon. So this is gonna be a very short video, but I hope you enjoy it. Cut off the woody part of the asparagus and then rinsing out the asparagus now. Let the water drain from the asparagus and then put it in a tray to put in the oven. Add the black pepper. I like to put a bit of black pepper. Add some oil, not too much, but a bit. Add some salt to give it taste and just mix it together. Ready to go in the oven. I preheated my oven to about 400 Fahrenheit. Put in the oven and it's ready. After like 10 minutes, your asparagus is ready. See how nice it looks. This is my asparagus served with Nigerian jollof rice and baked salmon. So in my next video, I will be showing you how to make Nigerian jollof rice and how to bake salmon. So basically, this is how I make my asparagus, and I serve it with whatever I want to eat it with. But this time I'm eating with is salmon and Nigerian jollof rice. Like I said, I will be making another video for Nigerian jollof rice and how to bake salmon. If you like this video, it's a thumb up and also subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.